Hello everyone, welcome to the 1 minute book review series by Tracks. In this video, I am going to review Paulo Coelho's Warrior of the Light. In this book, through a series of short passages and reflection, Coelho explores the essence of what it means to be the warrior of the light. Someone who is committed to living with courage, compassion, and integrity. Drawing on his own spiritual journey and wisdom from various traditions, Coelho imparts timeless lessons on perseverance, faith, and self-discovery. Warrior of the Light is a poignant reminder that within every individual lies the strength and wisdom to illuminate the world. Join Tracks.